Hey guys, how's it going? It's Andy from Magoo Investing. Happy New Year's. And today we're going to be starting a new series on this channel. It's going to be a monthly update video talking about this $250 challenge that I'm starting. Basically, the premise behind it is I'm going to be taking $250, invest it, and every month kind of give an update on what the biggest winners, losers, and the biggest lessons that I got out of it. Basically, the idea of this video, or these videos, is to show what consistency and just kind of like knowing what your overall goals are can have on an investor. 4% a week is kind of the goal that I'm going for. I've learned over the past 6 months of trading that 5 to 8% is totally doable, but I'm going to be more conservative because I'm pretty sure I'll have days or weeks, I guess, where I'll be having 8% weeks, and then I'll be having times where I'm going to be having 1% weeks because I had a big loss during that week. So kind of averaging it out, making it very realistic. I think 4% is a goal that anyone with a little bit of experience can be shooting for. So that's a little bit under 1% a day, which is totally reasonable. And I'll show that I did that on the first day of this challenge already. So, all right, now that I've kind of given the explanation of what we're doing, let's going to head over onto the computer and I'll show you what I've been doing. All right, so now that we are on the computer, now let's take a look at what Robinhood's got to show us. So as you can see, currently sitting a little bit over $250. The reason behind this is today is the 31st of December, not the 1st. But since the market's closed tomorrow, I decided that today was going to be the first day of it. As you can see here, I did have a green day today. Ended up about 1.5% up, which is kind of a shame because I started at 10 minutes after the opening bell. I was up almost 3.5%. So, you know what, green day, which is a good sign for 2019, but you know, I could have had more today, which is kind of a shame. So now that I've kind of showed what I'm doing over here, I'm currently trading the NASDAQ ETF and Roku. And now that I've kind of shown what's on here, let's go over to the compounding interest calculator and we'll plug in some numbers, just kind of show the importance of everything that I'm doing. And even though 4% doesn't really sound like a lot, it'll become very clear why it is important to be consistent. So we'll throw in $250, $0 additional dollars. We're going to throw in 52 years because that's how many weeks there are in the year, and 4% a week. And 1 year from now, hopefully, my account will be sitting at just under $2,000. So that is a huge increase. So that's the goal. And now let's just say maybe I throw in like 10 bucks a week. We'll see how much of a difference that has. So that almost doubles how much I'm going to end up with. So I'm kind of considering adding some money to it because, you know, your boy wants to make some money, not just be educational. So might consider doing that. I'll let you guys know if I do that. But just 10 bucks a week, so that's $500, and you add almost $1,500 on there in value. So just a little bit of increase every week makes a huge difference overall. So it's slow and steady. This is supposed to be something we're going to be doing for a whole lifetime, not just for a couple weeks or even a year. I'm just kind of showing you what can happen in a year. So even if this is 4%, let's just say even if I was doing 1% a week, let's see how much it would do. So I'd almost be doubling my money. So like for someone that's just starting out and they want something to shoot for, just aim for a green week every week. You can't complain about that. And after a while, you start adding some money. Maybe we'll throw in 20 bucks a week because you're being more cautious. Now you're at almost 1,800 bucks. So it kind of shows how important consistency is. It's kind of hard to make money when, say, you have a 5% week and then you have a 10% down week. Like, really pulls you back. So you got to be consistent, and that's kind of what I'm trying to show in these videos. So now let's go back and finish it off. All right. So in these videos, it's kind of be showing the really big portions of investing, some of the most important facts. We have the compounding interest and we have the consistency, which I think are probably the two biggest factors that go into having a successful investor. So this is kind of something where I'm going to be 100% transparent. If I lose money, I'm going to be talking about that, how it feels. If I'm making money, I'm going to show that pretty much anyone can do it too. So this is supposed to be a learning experience for people that are new in investing. So if you ever have any questions, just kind of throw them in the comments down below and I'll get to them. So hopefully you guys like this video. I'm excited for this. I guess the next video will be coming out on February 1st, giving an update for January. But until then, been posting some more videos. So if you want to check those out, they'll be on, let's see, this side maybe? Yeah, one of these sides. You know which side it's on. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Let's have a successful 2019.